Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, you guys know that I am a brand ambassador for RoseCraft Blades. And when their first line, the modern line of knives came out, they sent every single one of every single model out to me to check out. They did that with a few of us, with their ambassadors, of course. And which was really, really awesome. I was able to show you guys the basically the entire line of knives, with the exception of one. They held one back. They sent out the exclusive Mormolias, the Swags design. They didn't send those out, which was fine. No big deal. Well, here recently, I've got these RoseCraft blades, and I'm like, I need to do something with them. They sent them out to me, so that means I'm going to give them away somehow. Well, I decided that I'm going to give the entire line, a knife from the entire line, every single model, away when I hit 7,500 subscribers. That's just what I decided to do. That's how I decided to get them out into the world. Yes, and that's one package, one box, the entire line. Well, I posted on Instagram and I said the entire line with the exception of the Mormolia. Why did I do that? Well, because there's people out there that would be like, oh my God, you said the entire line, but you didn't give away the Mormolia. That's part of it. Yeah, okay. It's really not, because it's an exclusive. It's not really their design. But anyway, what did RoseCraft do? Well, they packaged up some stuff and sent it to me. And somebody's going to say now, oh my God, it was 2 minutes before you showed anything. Oh no, the world might end. There you go. And they also sent me a replacement, because I'll be darned. That's cool. Of course, well, they sent another sticker too. But what happened was, they also sent, as you can see, there's some writing on it. It says second, use screws. I had on one of my Ajudas, a screw just came up missing. I don't know what happened to it, but they actually sent me a second. And what I mean by second, I don't mean as in first and second. I mean, this one somehow was, they had rejected this originally. And I just kind of wanted to take a look, because, well, what did they consider a reject? You know what I mean? And they kind of did that with these. With the Clinch River, they actually sold some seconds at a discounted price. But I'm just kind of like, what might be wrong with this one? I don't know. Other than it's got a sticker on it, but that's not a big deal. So I don't know. I'm going to have to look at it and figure out what makes it a second. Maybe, I don't know, maybe the micarta. I don't know. I'll inspect it. But this is what they sent, guys. They actually sent me out a more Malia, so I could include that in the giveaway. I mean, how cool is that? That was not my intention. My intention was a disclaimer, but I mean, Andy, Jolynn, they are just fabulous, fabulous people, and of course, they sent the red one. Oh, that's a mean little bugger. I like this knife. This is such a really, really cool little knife. It's red, black. There you go. Take a look at it. You got the AR RPM 9. It's the Swags design. That's such a cool little knife. So, I mean, super shout out to RoseCraft for doing this. They certainly didn't have to, and it was just awesome of them. Oh, it's got a good drop to it. Nice, snappy little bugger. These are selling fast, guys. I'm not sure they have a whole lot of them left. So there again, that makes it pretty cool that they actually sent it out. So just wanted to do this quick unboxing and remind you guys, yeah, as soon as I hit 7,500 subscriber, I am going to give away an entire line of the RoseCraft Blades modern knives. Now, to include a more Malia. So thank you once again, Andy, Jolynn. Thank you for sending this other a Judah around, we'll have to see. I'll really have to look and see what makes it a second, guys. So they're probably got a little bit keener eye than I do. Andy and Jolene have been around knives their whole lives, so we'll take a look. We'll find out. But anyway, thank you so much, guys. Just a quick unboxing for you this afternoon. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next one. Just remember to like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Bye, guys.